So you've started your website or a funnel. Now let's start building your pages. And let me show you how simple it is with the builder. Here everything is drag and drop. So if you click on the element and start dragging it, you will see the blue line indicating where the widget will go. So if you drop it, you'll see how smooth and easy it is to arrange the different positions. Between each two elements, you also have this margin. So with the click of the mouse, you can start editing the margin between elements. You can also do it for the blocks on top and on bottom. You can create more spacing. That's very important for the great design of your website or pages, because that creates, breathing of your design, and it's more readable and easy to navigate through. So this way you can organize and arrange the content of your pages. You can also do some margins on the columns as well. So first of all, how is the whole content being structured? Everything is in blocks, like you see, different blocks, and they can be split into columns to better organize your content. So I always encourage you to use the columns, and you can use the handles to adjust the width of the columns. So you can add to the columns obviously different settings as well, like background in this case, other things like shadows, borders, etc. Same goes for the blocks. You have a background image, which is these yoga ladies. You can do parallax, video backgrounds, and other things to the blocks as well. And yeah, this is how you organize your content. And on the sides of the columns, you can also add this margin to make it more spacious on the sides. Obviously, this is not a good design, so always add some spacing on the side and keep it symmetrical for that matter. Alright, so if you want to add something new to your page, you can do by adding a new element from clicking on Add Widget. There you can select what kind of a widget you want to add. So let's say that you want to add a search. So you just drag and drop it anywhere that you want on your page. And just like that, we've added a search. You can adjust the margin, you can style it the way you want, and you're ready to go. Now, when you create some changes, you can just click on Save Changes, and you can preview the website or the page, how it looks. If you want to add a whole section between each two, let's say between the hero and this benefit section, you can click on Add Block. There you will see the different designs that we've created for you. You don't have to be a designer to build an amazing page. So you can just select what kind of a section you want to add, because we have such a great amount of different designs. And let's say that you want to add some services, or if you want, you can add an empty one and just build it yourself, but this will save you so much time. So if you click on this block, it will be automatically added to your design already made, and all you have to do is change the images, change the texts with just double clicking and arrange the way you want. If you click on every different element on your design, you can actually see the different settings that you have there. Now, such as edit, animation, copy, delete, all these things. So this way you can arrange and create different sections for your pages and create the content that you want to present on that page that you're building. Another amazing thing that you can do is you can copy elements. So you can copy an element, or you can copy a whole block. So once you do so, you will see the circle on top. That contains all the copied elements that you have. So we copied an image and a container. So if you drag and drop the container anywhere on your page, this or any other page, you can have the same exact copy. So you can copy up to 20 different elements here and use them anywhere into your design. Same goes for the individual elements. So we copied this image, and you can just add it, let's say, here. So it is the same exact copy. So just like that, you can style and modify all the different pages and blocks of your project, whatever it is, a website, a funnel, it doesn't matter. If it is a website, obviously you have a header as well. And there we have a special video dedicated for that, but it's very, very simple. It's pretty much the same. We have a bit different type of widgets there, and you can have them into the left, middle, or into the right columns for better organization. Same goes for the footer. It's just a normal section where you can edit everything there. Right, so you build your page, but how do you add the new one? If you click on pages, and on the bottom, on the top, you have add new. There you can add a page, pop-up, or a page group. If you click on page, you will see the different designs that we've created for pages. So you don't have to build pages as well. You can use any of the designs that you currently have and just use it as it is. Just modify a few things and it's ready for your business ideas. So let's say that you're trying to sell something and you want to add a checkout page and you like this one. So you just add it, add some name to it. And just like that, we've created a new page where you can start selling right away. So you can change the image, the text, what is the pricing of the product, select the actual product you'll be selling with the checkout. We have a special video for that. But just like that, you've added a whole new page. All you have to do is just adjust some text and images and you're ready to go. You don't have to build it from scratch and spending hours and hours. You can just modify the amazing designs that we have. You can do any type of pages. And if you want to add a pop-up, it's as simple as this. You just select the design of this desired pop-up from the many different layouts that we have, and you have it right away. You can just edit a few texts and different things, and you're ready to use the pop-up anywhere that you want, on a specific page, on a specific event, whatever it is. No plugins required. Very, very simple. So this is how simple it is to build pages and pop-ups and blocks for that matter, and edit your content on your pages. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, just check out the other videos that we have prepared for you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate